Thank you, Lucia and Ebony, for embarking on this incredible 3-day motorbike adventure from Sapa to Hanoi. Your energy and curiosity made every moment a joy to share. We began our ride in the breathtaking landscapes of Sapa, surrounded by dramatic mountains and cascading terraced fields. The cool mountain breeze and the vibrant culture of the local hill tribes set the perfect tone for the start of our journey. Leaving Sapa behind, we had a truly heartwarming experience visiting a local home in Lai Chau. We shared stories, learned about their daily lives and traditions, and even had the chance to try on beautiful traditional costumes, which was both fun and meaningful.
Already about 200 years old.
Wow.
But they still live here.
Yeah.
And you see that a lot of people now, the house already broken and they already built concrete.
Yeah.
And look at the lady, she got a beautiful skirt. She have to, weaving that for, the traditional thing. She have to weaving for about nearly 9 months for that skirt.
Wow.
That's amazing. I want you to get in here. Bà ơi, bà cho con lên nhà nhá. Cho khách lên nhà chơi nhá. Hello boys. And long time ago this area, guys, this area was a special area for the buffalo and for cow and for pig.
Yeah.
And of course, for the special reason, they said to me long time ago, this area very dangerous. Too much tiger, too much thing.
Tiger.
Exactly. And that's why for them, when they design the house, they want to build the house higher.
Yeah.
And they're living on the top. And in down here, this area like a special cook.
Yeah.
Like a special plate to hiding the buffalo, cow and pig in here. And then they cover whole the bottom here by fence, by bamboo. And then the tiger cannot get in here and kill the animal. Yeah, and they stay on the second floor. You come up now. The firm, our company will go to pay for them to stay here to see what's going on here.
Okay.
Yeah, so 200 years old house was amazing how 5 generations live together. And where they live? They're living on the side of the house.
Yeah.
And this one was a special plate, they weaving.
Oh, for weaving.
Yeah, they're weaving here. Yeah. Bà ơi, bà ngồi đây bà dệt cho con xem với. Bà dệt đi. Yeah. Yeah, so the tourists, they're calling these people with friendly people with black smile.
Yeah.
A little bit scary at night. But, they are amazing people.
She'll be happy all the time.
Yeah. And we got another name for them. We got another name for these people. We call Lao people.
Lao.
They come from Laos.
Yes.
Exactly. And they came to Vietnam already 400 or 500 years ago. Yeah, and they live here. You can see that. Yeah, see weaving. You see that her leg have to moving.
Yeah.
Up and down to put the hems on.
Yeah.
Hems. See that? Amazing. Yeah. Every girl in here have to do that.
Yeah.
Every girl. Not the boy. The boy have no idea. No. But the boy learn how to design this frame.
Yeah.
This kind of frame and this kind of loom for weaving.
Yeah.
You see. And that's the room. You see that?
Yeah.
That's the bedroom for the family. They will stay there. The room there was a couple. And where the boy and the girl will stay in, at night they will cover this area for the boys. And the girls stay in private room. Yeah.
And then she changes the color.
Yeah, exactly. So you have to make another color in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at the boy. Xin chào. Bắt tay đi, bắt tay, tay đi, bắt tay. Yeah, can you shake hand to them? They're so happy. Okay, so that's the big room, and of course the house of the local people.
Yeah.
They have to take nearly about 5 months to building the house.
Yeah.
But before that, they got need about 5 years to 10 years to repair the wood. It means they're connecting the wood for 5 to 10 years. On the mountain, and then after 5 or 10 years, when they got enough wood, they were going to calling all the men in the village coming and helping them to design the house, and then they were building together for 5 months. 5 months to put the house up like this.
Yeah.
And of course,
This is quite big, this house.
oh my God, the house of Lu people, the traditional house of Lu people, all the way from 120 square meter to 200 square meter.
Yeah, huge.
It's huge, yeah. And here was the kitchen for family.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the kitchen. So this plate was more for women, and that's why they designed them very small.
Not these women.
You are too tall. You are like giant girl in Vietnam.
Yeah.
But for them, they always about 150.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's really short people. And of course, for them, the kitchen always take care of great grandmother. They will teach for their granddaughter to cooking and make the food for family. And all the time they will stay here together. But most of the time, the girl will learn to weaving, to make their clothing.
Yeah.
Because 11 years old, the girl had to make their design and make their own clothing.
Yeah.
And that's why, for them, really special kind of job for them with the weaving and embroidery.
Yeah.
And for kitchen with the second job. But that also very important job,
Yes.
because the girl after married, she will going to take care of the food for whole family. Yeah, you see here.
Big job.
Yeah.
After this memorable visit, we explored the stunning green hills of Lai Chau's tea plantations. Ridding through the vibrant tea fields, we learned about the art of tea making and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere. The lush, rolling hills created a serene and picturesque setting, perfect for reflecting on the incredible experiences of the day. On our way to Mut Song Chai, the winding mountain roads revealed the raw beauty of northern Vietnam. Every turn brought new vistas, with locals greeting us warmly along the way. The next leg brought us to Ta Xua, and we were completely blown away. A vast sea of clouds rolled over the towering peaks, creating a surreal, dreamlike scene. It felt like standing on the edge of the world, surrounded by endless skies and untouched beauty. Absolutely unforgettable.
Em cười lên nào, em cười lên. Nó dừng cầu á. Đẹp quá luôn. You know, Hmong people, they very warmly welcome anybody to come to the village. When they come to the village, you guys will become like a special customer, special guest for the village, and then they will dress up you like the princess. Yeah, and then you will become the special guest in the village. Okay. Oh my Buddha. Yeah. Yeah. Come to the view. Come to the view with everybody. Yeah. Rồi. Rồi chị ra đây. Okay. Oh my Buddha.
I love it.
chị ngồi đứng sát vào với các bạn này đi. Em. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Yeah. Jeez, that's so beautiful. Oh my God.
How do you say thank you?
Cảm ơn. Oh, Hmong language with auto. Auto. Yeah. Come on, you get in.
Look at me.
No problem. Give that to him. Anh cầm hộ bạn ấy. Okay, you get in. Yeah. Anh ơi, cái.
It's okay. Just put it on the ground. Come in.
Oh my God.
We're so tall.
Yeah.
We're so tall.
Họ bảo họ bị cao quá. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, smiles. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's so lovely. Yeah.
Our journey continued toward the peaceful Long Kok Tea Hills, known as a hidden gem of verdant beauty. The tea-covered hills rolled endlessly, creating a serene backdrop for a moment of relaxation and reflection. Finally, we arrived in Hanoi, where the energy of the bustling city welcomed us back. This adventure wasn't just about the scenic routes, but also the heartwarming connections with the people we met and the unforgettable experiences we shared. Lucia and Ebony, your adventurous spirits and enthusiasm for discovering the true essence of Vietnam made this trip extraordinary. Thank you for trusting us to guide you on this journey. We hope to welcome you back soon for even more thrilling explorations. Until next time, ride free and keep discovering.